Have you ever taken a photo of a quote, a sign, or a document, and later you wish could read the text more clearly? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use Bixby Vision to read the text right from the image. No typing or zooming needed. Let me show you how to do it. First, open Gallery app, and then open the photo that has the text you want to read. Next, tap the Bixby Vision icon at the top of the photo. The image will open in Bixby Vision and you will see different options at the bottom. Choose text reader and Bixby will start scanning and reading text in the image.
Things don't need to be perfect. We are creatures, eminently suited to good enough.
If needed, you can tap the play button to rereading. With this feature, you can now easily read the words in photos. This is a great way to read information from pictures, especially when you don't want to zoom in or guess what something says. It's fast, clear, and built right into your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.